tutorial today, we're going to be testing out 4 different varnishes to find out which one is the best one for your eco resins. I have my 4 coasters here. I'm going to be testing out 4 different sealants to find which is the best one for this eco resin slash Jesmonite. I'm going to write on the back so that way I know which one I'm using. So one of the sealers I'm going to be using is just the Jesmonite brand. Then I am going to be using a beeswax. And then I'm going to be using the spray varnish. And then this is a sealer that I got from the hardware store that is designed to seal grout. First up, I've got the Jesmonite sealer, and I'm just applying this with a paintbrush because this is my preferred method to apply this particular sealer. And I'm going to be doing this where I've applied 1 coat, let it set for about half an hour to an hour, and then I'm going to be applying a 2nd coat. I'm going to be doing this throughout all of the coasters to make sure that it is fair, so they're all going to get 2 coats of each type of sealer. So with this one, I used a paintbrush to apply it, but the Shelly's that I'm using next, it's a spray-on waterproof sealer. So I'm just going to give it a really good spray, let that set for half an hour to an hour, come back in and give it a 2nd coat. So they're all going to get 2 coats each. For the next coaster, we're going to be testing out this liquid beeswax. You can find this at a lot of hardware stores. I also got this online from Archery Creation. This is a really great one to use because it is a natural product and it is also food safe. So if you are going to be using any of your Jesmonite or eco resin products around food, then this might be a good option for you to use to seal them. And then the last one that we're going to be using is the varnish. So this is a spray varnish. It's the Duramx spray varnish, and I use this for a lot of different projects. I've just gotten this one from Bunnings, and you can buy it from a lot of different places. It is a really good varnish just to have in general for a lot of projects, but all of these are getting 2 coats, and then I'm going to be placing them out in the sun to test them. So it's been 2 whole months since I filmed the first part of this video where I've put the different varnishes on each coaster, and I thought the best way to test this out was literally to just stick them outside where they're going to be getting a ton of direct sun because I live in Queensland and it's very hot here, and they're also going to get rained on, and they're going to be going through all the various different weather conditions because I thought that's the best way to kind of test the wear and tear, and it would accelerate the process. So it's been 2 months and I've literally just had them outside that whole entire time. They have not moved, and it has stormed so many times since then. But now I have some results. So to go over, we did one in a waterproof, one in beeswax, one in a spray varnish, and one in the Jesmonite varnish. And I have to say my clear favorite is the spray varnish, the Duramx varnish. The color still looks exactly the same as if I've just done it. There's no collection of dust. It's so easy to just wipe off, and the surface is still completely fine even though it's been rained on quite a few times. I don't see any difference from when I did this 2 months ago to now, and it has had a lot of wear and tear. The one I would say I'm probably the most disappointed in is the Shelly's waterproofing. There is a dramatic difference in color. It has gotten a lot paler. The sun has bleached it, and it also has it just feels a little bit more textured. It doesn't feel like it's had that much protection. It's really worn down. Now, I say it's not terrible, but you can see a really big difference between the two when you do look up nice and close. The other 2 that we do have is the beeswax and the Jesmonite. The beeswax and the Jesmonite are a little bit faded, not as much as the Shelly's, so the color has been faded by the sun. Definitely compared to the spray varnish, they look like they're pretty much on the same level. The only big difference that I have noticed is the Jesmonite varnish, the dust and the dirt has really stuck in. I've given this a few wipes, but I can still feel it. But the beeswax, once you do give it a wipe, get rid of that dust, it feels brand new, back to normal. You don't feel any of the dust. It doesn't feel sticky at all. But with the Jesmonite varnish, I do feel like it's a little bit sticky, and that's why the dust and the dirt is sticking to it. So overall, the clear favorite is the spray varnish. It looks exactly the same. I've not seen any difference, and it has taken a beating. And my least favorite would be the Shelly's, and I would say the Jesmonite and the beeswax are kind of in the middle. I'd say I like the beeswax a little bit more. Overall, they all did a pretty decent job at sealing. None of them look really damaged or anything. These are just small little differences. But obviously, if I'm choosing, I'm definitely going to be going for the spray varnish, but followed up closely by the beeswax if obviously you want to go for more of a natural route. And the other two are okay, but they're not ones that I would probably keep using in the future now that I know that these are the better option. But I'd love your feedback below, so don't forget to leave a comment if there's any other varnishes you want me to test out, or were you expecting these results? I definitely always love hearing back from you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it was really helpful. And if you did get some information out of it, please do give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help my channel out. And thank you guys so much for watching.